Abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase, or in other words, a shortened or contracted form of a word or phrase used to represent the whole, utilizing omission of letters and sometimes substitution of letters or duplication of initial letters to signify plurality. For example, UN is the short form of United Nations. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK class. Today, bache, we are going to do some abbreviations related to environment. They are called environs. Environs comes under the topic of environment around. It is page number 17 of your book. Let's get started. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, the students you will be able to relate the given abbreviations to their full forms. You will be able to write the full forms of abbreviations given. You will be able to know about all the abbreviations related to environment. Hey kids, let's do page number 17. On this page we are having environs. Environs are the surrounding parts or districts as of a city. We are going to do the abbreviations related to environment on this page. Let's do environs. First one is AAQ, advanced air quality. Advanced air quality system commonly refers to as exhaust gas cleaning system or scrubbers are a significant technological innovation designed to improve air quality. The second one is ACF, activated carbon filters. These are generally employed in the process of removing organic compound and or extracting free chlorine from water, thereby making the suitable for discharge or use in manufacturing process. Third one is BOH, Board of Health, a body of a municipal or state government which is responsible for coordinating public health activities in a specified city, country, or state. The fourth one is chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon CFC, a fluorinated hydrocarbon formerly used in metered dose inhalers as a propellant gas. CFC accumulates in and damages the ozone layer of the stratosphere. Fifth one is dead and decompose. Decomposing is the process by which dead organic substances are broken down into simpler organic or inorganic matter such as carbon dioxide, water, simple sugar and mineral salts. Sixth one is HAP, hazardous air pollutants, also known as toxic air pollutants or air toxics, are those pollutants that cause or may cause cancer or other serious health effects such as reproductive effects or birth defects or adverse environmental and ecological effects. Seventh one is immediate response action plan. The immediate response includes the care, support and communication action that take place immediately following an accident to imitate further patient harm and ensure the safety of patient families and providers. For example, in case of COVID, there is immediate response action plan has been taken by the government of all the countries. The eighth one is quality assurance QA. Quality assurance plan is a document constructed by the project team meant to ensure the final products are of the utmost quality. A quality assurance plan contains a set of documented activities meant to ensure that customers are satisfied with the goods or services a company provides. Students, I told you by the end of this topic you will be able to know the full forms of these abbreviations related to environment. Now I have one task for you to do. You have to write the full forms of these abbreviations.